Welcome to the Academic Technology Commons at Pius Library. The ATC, as we call it, is one place right in the heart of campus where you can find and do virtually anything you need for your assignment, your research, or your individual or collaborative project. The ATC offers computers and equipment resources, study rooms and meeting spaces, and expert personal service to help you use them all effectively. The ATC has dozens of desktop computers with solid-state drives, fast processors, lots of memory, and virtually any software you might need. Just log in with your SLU username and password, and all the resources you'd expect are there, like Microsoft Office, Adobe Creative Cloud, statistics software such as R and SPSS, plus math, design, audio, video, and other software. All of these computers are connected to both color and black and white printers via the Billiken Print Network. Just send your job, find a printer, swipe your SLU ID, and release the job. We've also got self-service scanners that can turn print materials into PDFs, either image only or searchable, various photo file types, and even MP3s. Besides the desktop computers, we've got up to 60 laptops available for checkout, Windows PCs as well as Macs. You can check one out for up to a week at a time. How about an iPad? Same thing. You can also check out a camera, either still or video, a GoPro, a 360 camera, a wired or wireless microphone, a portable projector for a presentation or even for a social gathering, and even a PA system if you've got an event. Plus laser pointers, calculators, all sorts of cables and dongles and accessories. And let's say you get here to the library and realize that you forgot your phone charger or your laptop charger, no problem. We've got those too for checkout. Besides all the equipment, the ATC also has 10 study rooms that can accommodate individuals or groups. Some are smaller and can accommodate 3 or 4 people, while others are larger and more structured. The largest room, 101B, can accommodate up to 12 people. All of these rooms have writable walls to help you visualize and collaborate, as well as large wireless displays so you can share what's on your phone, tablet, or laptop screen. Just download a free app called MirrorOp Presenter from your App Store and then follow the instructions on the large screen display. Also, instructions on how to use MirrorOp Presenter are laminated and posted inside each room. Almost all of these rooms are reservable up to a week in advance, and it just takes a few seconds to do so. Just start at the library website, lib.slu.edu, scroll down to the frequently searched section, and click or tap Study Rooms Spaces Lockers. In addition to the study rooms, the ATC also offers a quick record studio where you can record audio, video, including green screen, do an interview, make a podcast, nearly any audio or video project. You can then edit those files on any of the ATC computers. One more place you may find helpful is our Innovation Studio, which has various types of hands-on equipment, 3D printers, both filament and resin, a Dremel DIY laser cutter, and a Cricut Maker paper and fabric cutter. Now, if any of this is unfamiliar or intimidating, don't worry. You don't have to go it alone. If you ever need help, just come to the Ask SLU desk in front of the big blue wall in the center of the ATC. The student workers and staff members of the Ask SLU desk are trained to help you find the information and services you're looking for. At the Ask SLU desk, you can get help with virtually any kind of tech question, from how to print, how to log in or reset your password, how to install software on your laptop or phone, how to troubleshoot and fix a slow-running computer, how to get rid of a virus or other malware, and so on. We can't replace or repair computer hardware, but we can do almost anything else. Besides the Ask SLU desk, we've got a full print and equipment lab, also with experienced, trained staff. Need a bunch of brochures or flyers? You or your organization can have jobs printed on our Xerox digital laser press, as simple or as complex as you want, from just a few to hundreds to thousands. Need a poster? You can print virtually unlimited length on paper that's up to 44 inches tall or on a fabric banner that's up to 42 inches tall. Both of these are at a price that's equal to or better than commercial options like FedEx, Kinko's, or Costco. After your poster or other items are printed, there's lots of space for you to assemble and collate them, plus cutting tools, foam board to mount them on, and mailing tubes for transporting them. Need to send a fax? Believe it or not, people still do. You can do all of that and more. The Print Studio staff are also the people who can help you with audio, video, and other media-related questions. Finally, remember that the ATC is part of Pius Library, so you're only a question away from getting help from any of the library's professional subject librarians who can help you with any aspect of research. From the library homepage, you can reach them by text, chat, or phone, and you can easily set up an appointment to meet one-on-one. If you have any questions or for more information, check out the ATC website, email atc@slu.edu, or just come in and ask. We're here to help.